Hi, my name is Kevin Rahoman. I'm a member of the Alberta on Fire investor team, and I'm here today to talk to you about should you renovate your investment property. So the first question that comes up is, Kevin, should I renovate my investment property? The question would be, is it rented already? If it's rented, you know what? You probably can forego some of those things unless it's something super important. But we tend to renovate properties when they're vacant. When they're vacant, it makes it a lot easier, especially it's not gonna be moving around the tenants and whatnot. And I want to talk to you about three different things that you can renovate to see the highest return. First one is kitchen. Kitchens is where everyone uses it, whether you're a little kid, parent, you're always gonna be in the kitchen. And you can see the biggest return, whether it's on the residential MLS market or even selling privately to an investor. You have a nice kitchen, it's gonna help you sell your property and give you the highest return. Now, you don't have to go and renovate the whole kitchen, knock down walls or anything like that. Sometimes it's just, you can get away with spending $2 or $3 grand in just painting the cabinets, refinishing the cabinets, sometimes sanding them or staining them to give it a completely new feel and look. So we would always say the number one thing you can renovate is your kitchen. So stainless steel appliances, not going to get you more rent, but it does make the property more desirable, especially for the higher income tenant profile that you might be after. So it is something that we started to do a lot more recently. Number two, flooring. So flooring is one of the fastest ways you can age your home. Poorly maintained floors can look really dungy and scratched up, and it can make a home that's only a few years old or flooring that's just been changed recently look like garbage. So what we recommend is a product called luxury vinyl plank flooring. And what we love about it is super durable, it's scratch resistant, waterproof, and it makes it a little bit easier to rent to tenants with smaller pets or medium-sized pets, and also increase the rent that you can get from a tenant that has a pet. So you don't have to worry about replacing the flooring every few years. If you can replace any carpet in the home with this, it is a huge deal. Highly recommend take a look at some of the different luxury vinyl plank options at your hardware retail store and switch it right away. We will link some options in the description below. Number three would be bathrooms. So you don't have to spend a fortune in bathrooms and renovate everything, but you want to, if you have a green toilet or bathtub or sink or a yellow, we'd want to update that when we get the chance. Bathrooms are one of the fastest ways, especially on the MLS side, to get a higher ROI on your home. So these three things that we've talked about can help you generate more rent and also up the value of your home, whether you sell it privately or on the MLS market. If you're looking for help managing your property or buying and selling, click the link below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe for more videos.